up, guys? It's Fetty Log. You know what it is. In the Tack Town, Northwest, stand up. You feel me? Washington. What's up with niggas thinking that they better than other people? Like, you're not better than nobody, my nigga. Nobody's better than nobody. It's all about who's willing to put more work in and who's willing to put the time in and have the patience and, consistency. Like, you niggas, most of you niggas out here ain't doing nothing, my nigga. I'm on some progress shit, you feel me? Determination, fucking knowledge, my nigga. Development, all about that, you feel me? I'm not on no bum shit, my nigga. I'm out here trying to do my own thing, you feel me? And I don't need no niggas around me with negativity. I'm on some positive shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to build a team. You guys gonna see me out here doing what I do, you feel me? But stay tuned, because it's about to be in moves, you feel me? R.I.P. to all my niggas that done left us this fucking year, you know? It's sad, my nigga. But y'all are in better places now, you know what I'm saying? So, big ups to my niggas out here still pushing, you feel me? Keep pushing. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do nothing, because you can do whatever you put your mind to. Don't let nobody tell you you ain't nothing. Don't let nobody tell you, take you down, none of that shit, you know what I'm saying? It's all about what you want to do in life and where you want to go.